Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First of all, find out a hole in the left side of your phone. This is the hole. Here you go to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool and insert here. Just insert here and push down into the hole. The SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. Now keep your phone aside. Here you are seeing 3 slots. In the first 2 slots you can put 2 nano SIMs. In the third slot you can put one micro SD card. Okay. So bring SIM and insert here. This is for SIM 1, this is for SIM 2, this is for SD card. Now I bring one SIM card. I bring one SIM card and just insert here. Okay. Now I bring another SIM card. Another SIM card and insert in the second port. Okay. Then bring SD card and insert in the third slot. Now keep the tray and bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. I bring the phone and insert this tray back to your phone. Insert like this. And now open the phone. You will find SIM cards inserted. Network will be detecting and they will be showing to you. Yes, 2 SIM cards are detected and they are showing here. If you want to check for SD card, go to My Files. Go to My Files here and see here SD card is available. So in this way you can easily insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.